He wasn't going to leave until he understood why he was being charged.
Yes, sir.
No problem. Let me tell you how it's going on. You don't have a PPV driver's badge. Right? So you're going to be charged.
PPV is on my license.
You're going to be charged.
PPV is on my license.
Just listen to me, bro.
I said I'm off duty, sir.
Well, let us prove it in court.
Let us prove it in court. I said I'm off duty. Yes, I said I'm off duty. I only have 4 people in my car. You never see me take
It that they do not know the driver and they don't know the name
Are
of
you
the
related
driver.
to any of the persons in the
I do not have to be related.
Okay, very well. It's a
I
matter of
can take up anybody. It's a public car. I'm supposed to be able to. Suppose I want to give a free drive.
You're
You
in your
can.
uniform, sir.
Prosecute.
It doesn't mean it doesn't mean that I can't carry anybody in my car.
Take him picture. We are going to dispute it in court.
Give me the summons, sir.
Very well.
Give me my summons.
Very well.
Because my car is straight and everything. So you're trying to find some problem. The last video I did in St. Anne's Bay. So when you see the video, I want to come at me now. Me not uniform. Me tell them say I'm off duty. Me can't off duty. That is the problem we have with this society. I cannot be off duty as a taxi driver. This guy now ready to send me a court because I do not present him with a badge. I told him that I am going through the process with the badge. I am renewing my police record. I am not illegal or anything, sir. Please provide me with my summons so we can go to court since as you want to go to court.
Alright, let me explain something to you.